Hello students, I hope you are doing really well and are ready for this lesson. In the previous video, I have already discussed about algebraic expressions, constants, variables and how to solve an equation using transposition method, right? So first we'll see how to solve an equation when we have variables on both the sides, okay? Solving an equation having variables on both the sides. So let's take an example. Suppose we have 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Okay, we have to solve this equation. Here we have variables on both the sides, that means on the left hand side and also on the right hand side, right? So how will we solve? We'll solve this by arranging the like terms on one side. Okay, so here see we have x on the right hand side. We'll transpose it to the left hand side first. So we can write 2x minus x is equal to, the constant term will be transposed to the right hand side. Okay, so 2 minus 3 will become plus 3. Now the equation will become 2x minus x is equal to x, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now this is the required solution of this given equation. Clear? Okay. Now we'll solve another example. Suppose the equation is now we'll solve another example. Suppose 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 whole into x minus 1 plus 7. Okay, we'll solve this. Here first we have to simplify the right hand side. Okay, now first write 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x. 3 into x is equal to 3x. Now minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 7. Okay, now first simplify the right hand side. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7 will become plus 4. Clear? Now solve 8x minus 3x, okay, is equal to 4 is on the right hand side and this left hand side 4 will be transposed to the right hand side and it will become minus 4. Okay, so 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x. Now 4 minus 4 will be cancelled out and it will become 0. Okay, so 5x is equal to 0, that means we can write x is also equal to 0. That is the final answer. Clear? So in this way we can solve the equations when we have variables on both the sides. Clear? Now we'll take another example. Suppose question number 3 is 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into x minus 40. See students, here we'll arrange the like terms. Okay, so we can write 5x clear. On the right hand side we have minus 14. Okay, so that's minus 14 plus 7 by 2 will go towards the right hand side and it will become minus 7 by 2. Clear? Now we can solve, or we can take LCM of both the sides. Okay, on the left hand side the LCM is 2, Now 2 into 5x, that will become 10x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 into 3, 3x. Okay. Now on the right hand side, the LCM is also 2. Now 2 divided by 1, because 14 means 14 by 1, right? So we can write it as 2 into minus 14, that is equal to minus 28 minus 7. Clear? Okay. Now 10x minus 3x is equal to 7x. 7x by 2 is equal to minus 28 minus 7. Minus 28 minus 7 will become minus 35 by 2. And we can write 7x is equal to minus 35. Okay. Now x will become minus 35 divided by 7. That can be simplified and we will get x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 is the final answer of this equation, which is variable on both the sides. Clear? Now we'll see how to reduce an equation to its linear form. Okay. First, take an example of an equation. Suppose the equation is x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Now we'll solve this equation. Okay. What is given? X plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. So what we will do? We'll just cross multiply these terms. Okay. So it will become 8 whole into x plus 1, that is equal to 3 whole into 2x plus 3. Clear? Now we can write 8 whole into x plus 1, that can be written as 8 into x, 8x plus 8 into 1, that is equal to 8. Now 8x plus 8 is equal to 3 into 2x is equal to 6x plus 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now we will arrange the like terms. 8x minus 6xy, because 6x will be transferred to the left hand side. Clear? So 8x minus 6x is equal to 9 minus 8. Okay. So we can write 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x. Now 2x is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to what? 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So we can write 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. That is the final answer. Clear? Okay. Now take another example. What is given? Z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Now we'll just cross multiply these two terms. Okay. So z into 9 is equal to 9z is equal to 4 whole into z plus 15. So you can write 4 whole into z plus 15. In the next step, we'll just simplify the right term. Okay. So 9z is equal to 4 into z, 4z plus 4 into 15, that will become 60. Clear? Now we'll just arrange the terms. So 9z minus 4z, because 4z will be transposed to the left hand side. Okay. So 9z minus 4z is equal to what? 16. Now 5z, 9z minus 4z will be 5z is equal to what? Is equal to 60. So z will become 60 divided by 5, that can be simplified and we'll get z is equal to what? 12. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay students, now we'll solve some application questions of linear equations in one variable. Okay, so let's take an example. The sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, then we have to find the given number. What is given first? The sum of two numbers is 95. Okay, and the second condition is if one exceeds the other by 15, that means the difference between these two numbers is 15. So can you take one number as x? Okay, so the another number will become x plus 15. So let's take, let the first number be x. Okay, let's take the first number as x. So we can write this. So the second number what will be the second number? The second number will be x plus 15. Why? Because it is given that a number exceeds the other number by 15. So we can write the second number as x plus 15. Now we can write according to the question. The sum of two numbers is 95. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 95. So you can write the first number is x, the second number is x plus 15, and their sum is 95. So you can write x plus 15 is equal to 95. Now we'll solve this equation. Okay, so x plus 15. First we'll open the bracket. So x plus 15 is equal to what? Is equal to 95. Okay, now x plus x is equal to 2x. To 2x plus 15 is equal to what? Is equal to 95. Okay, now you can write 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. That will become 2x is equal to what? 95 minus 15. So 95 minus 15 will be is equal to 80, right? So 2x is equal to 80. Now we can write, that implies x is equal to what? 80 divided by 2, because 2 will be transposed to the right hand side and the term will become 80 by 2. We can simplify and we will get x is equal to what? X is equal to 40. That means the first number is 40. Now we'll find the second number. Hence, first number. What will for the first number? The first number is x. So the first number is equal to 40, and similarly the second number is equal to what? Is equal to 40 plus 15, that is equal to what? That is equal to 55. So the required numbers were, one is 40 and the another number is 55. Clear? Okay, now let's take another example. Okay, so what is given? The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:5. So we have two conditions. One is the ratio between these two numbers is 2:5, and another condition is that the difference between these two numbers is 66. Okay, so we can write the ratio of the two numbers. Okay, ratio of the two numbers is equal to 2:5. we can take one number as 2x, the another will be 5x. So let the first number is equal to 2x, second number will be 5x, right? The first number is 2x, then the second number will be 5x. We have another condition. What? The another condition is the difference between two whole numbers is 66. So we can write the statement as, according to the question, 5x minus 2x, right? Because 5x is the larger one, so we can take 5x minus 2x is equal to what? Is equal to 66. Clear? Now 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. Clear? So 3x is equal to what? 3x is equal to 66. Now x will be 66 divided by 3. So that can be simplified and we can write x is equal to 22. Now we'll find the two numbers. Hence, first number is equal to 2 into 22, because first number is 2x, right? So we can write 2 into 22, that can be written as 44. Okay, so this is the first number, and the second number will be 5x. The second number will be 5x. 5 into 22. So that can be written as 5 into 22. 5 into 22 is equal to what? Is equal to 110. Okay. So these are the two required numbers. So now we will solve another example, one age related problem. Okay. So what is given? The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil, and after 5 years their ages will add to 66 years. So let's take the age of Sahil as x. Okay, so you can write, let the present age of Sahil be x year. Okay, so present age of Sahil's mother. So present age of Sahil's mother will be 3 times the age of Sahil, that means 3x year. Okay. Now after 5 years, the age of Sahil what is the age of Sahil? The age of Sahil will be x plus 5, right? 5 years will be added to his present age. So age of Sahil is equal to x plus 5 years. Then age of his mother, what will be her age? Her present age is 3x year, right? So after 5 years, her age will be 3x plus 5 year. 3x plus 5 year. Now we can write, according to the question, what is given? After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. So we can write, according to the question, after 5 years their present age will be add to 66 years. That means x plus 5 age of Sahil plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66 years. Okay, now we'll open the bracket. X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. Now we just arrange the like terms. X plus 3x is equal to what? Is equal to 4x plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 year, right? So 4x plus 10 is equal to 66. Now 4x is equal to 66 minus 10, right? Because 10 will be transposed to the right hand side and we will get 4x is equal to what? 56. Then x is equal to what? Then x is equal to 56 by 4. 56 by 4 will get 14. Right? So x is equal to 14. That means the present age of Sahil will be 14 years and the present age of her mother will be 3 into 14, that is 42 years. Okay, so we can write hence present age of Sahil is equal to 14 years and present age of his mother is equal to what? 3x, that means 3 into 14. So 3 into 14 is equal to what? 42 years. Okay, so these are the final answer, 14 years and 42 years. That means the present age of Sahil will be 14 years and the present age of his mother will be 42 years. Okay.